Hi, I'm Michael Gaffney, American School of Flower Design. Today we're going to do a cluster and zone technique. You're going to like this one. First I'm going to start with a whole pile of mess, but I'm going to organize it and make it more attractive by cluster and zone. So the first thing I do, I got a fistful of lemon leaf. I'm going to twist and turn, cross the left, turn to the right, cross the left, turn to the right. I got about 15 stems in my hand. I'm going to chop a little bit. I'm going to put it into my vase, and that's going to hold, that's the big secret, it's going to hold all the rest of my materials. Then I'm going to start with, what do I got in this mess? I got some, watch me organize it. I've got some eucalyptus, good old-fashioned blue eucalyptus they're calling this, oops, lately. I'm going to make a grouping or a zone of all blue eucalyptus in one area of my design. See it? That's the whole secret of this whole design. Next, I have some grevillea. So I'm going to take all my grevillea and put it into one place. That's what it means to cluster and zone. All like materials in one place. I'm going to spin my design. I've got some olive branch. I'm going to put some olive branch on the other side, running from my middle deck to my lower deck. If you have my book, Design Star, lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. This would be the penthouse. This would be the upper deck. This would be going into the lower deck. Get the book. It's on sale at Flower School 101. Then I'm going to take my eucalyptus, group it together, clean off the stem, bacteria in the water, and put a grouping of eucalyptus right there all together. Look, it's pretty already. Then I'm going to take, I have extra eucalyptus, so I'll do another grouping of eucalyptus on this side and put the rest of my eucalyptus on that side. Oh, I found some more grevillea. So I'm grouping everything together in a nice round design. Pretty pretty. Using up all my spare parts. So that is known as zoning and grouping. Just one nice fat stalk there. That's what it needed. Spinning it around is to be viewed from all sides. Then I'm simply going to drop in a few flowers right in the bread basket. Let's clear it. Oh, I have one more hydrangea. Where should I put it? Let's give it a pocket right over there. Move that one over. There's your mostly all green design with a few flowers added. It's an all-around cluster and zone technique. I hope you enjoyed it. FlowerSchool101.com. Join us in class. We learn this and many other designs every day because you want to bloom. You want a flower, right? You want to grow up to be a designer. I know that. I started on Wall Street and took a job. I was not happy. I took a job driving a truck for a landscape company, flower shop. And kaboom, this is what happened. Now I'm talking to you. So if you want to be a designer, I can show you how. FlowerSchool101.com. Thank you very much. Keep blooming.